Kulapha indaba zihlanganiselwa khona emzimkhulu wezorhatshe eAuckland Park. Hlalele eduze amaleho wabonako la avalele indaba.
We are unable to persuade the South African Communist Party from its decision of not contesting the elections.
ANC SACP nangabe ibona kungcono ukuhlala yeke kulungile ayikhambe yodwa emakhethweni azabo.
And the applicants can't be expected to put their case on hold in the hope that the Commission will finalise its proceedings speedily.
Abasinda ezenzweni ezebandlululo kunye nemindeni yalabo ababhubhako ithi yamphikisa umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa endabeni yekomishini.
Could have stopped it, what was happening, but they didn't. Nobody try even to stand up and help.
Ugogo lo mntwana ubonakele evidweni egega enkundleni zokuthindana abhema into engathi sidakamizwa uthi uyazibuza bona unina lo mntwana lo usaphile kuhle na. Emakhaya ngemakhaya emfundeni ngemfundeni nemazweni ngamazwe siyalochisa endabeni zesindebele ku-SABC 1 akwande sitshaba sekosi. Ikhothe ephakemeko yeGauteng izwe bona imndeni kunye nabasinda ezenzweni eziphula amalungelo obuntu ngesikhathi sebandlululo angeke bajamise ukulalelwa kwamacala wabo nakusalindwe isiqundo sekomishini ephenyako. Ikomishini le iphenya bona bekucabhela ikwepolitiki ekuthutshiseni amacala wekomishini yezokuthobelana nokucolelana iTRC. Lokhu kuza ngemva kubana umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ayokumangala ekhotho afuna ukujanyiswa amacala la nakusalindwe umbiko wekomishini ephenyako. Imndeni kunye nalabo abasindako baphikisa isimangalo sikaMengameli bathi bafuna ukuthola ubulungiswa basaphila.
Imndeni kunye nabasinda ezenzweni zombuso webandlululo eziphula amalungelo obuntu bayaraga noke kufuna isililiso ekhotho ezomthetho sisekelo ngalokho abathi umbuso ubhalelwe kuphenya nokutshotshisa amacala weTRC. Bathi banelungelo lokulalela kwecaleli basaphila.
Applicants can't be expected to put their case on hold in the hope that the Commission will finalise its proceedings speedily. All of these uncertainties will be resolved. They will obtain what is due to them as a result of the state's fundamental betrayal of its constitutional obligation to prosecute the perpetrators of apartheid murders.
Kodwa umengameli Ramaphosa nombuso bafuna kujanisa indaba le nakusalinda umbiko wekomishini ephenyako ekulinde bona iphenye ifumane okwenzekako.
The way out of this is to have the Commission take evidence, make its findings, and all the problems that are highlighted in the papers, which is, well, that's down the road, it's another inquiry. We say, yes, all of those are true, but the point is you will then have facts placed.
Isibawo esisekela libandla lezokushisa komphakathi elifake incwadi efungeleko yayo indaba le.
The interests of justice demand respectfully that the Commission of Inquiry sits, ventilate the issue, adjudicate over the issues, make pronouncements or findings or conclusions or recommendations to the President, in respect of which then, if they are not satisfied, they are free to approach any court.
Isahlulelo sisagodliwe.
ANC ithi SACP nayifuna ukuzijamela emakhethweni azako ayenze njalo yona ayisazigeni. Ithi izokubuyekeza ukuzibandakanya kweSACP emakhethweni nangabe vele ijamile ekutheni ifuna ukuzijamela emakhethweni azako. Lokhu kufaka hlangana amahlelo wayo nekambiso yokukhetha amakhansela. Kanti ke zokubusa ikomiti enkulu yeANC ithethe isiqundo sokuvulela ezinye inhlangano ezilinde ukungena kuhulumende webumbano.
I-ANC ifike lapha ithatha khona isiqundo ngamahlelo we-SACP wokuzijamela emakhethweni azako. Unobhalazo mbelele we-ANC ufikile mbalula uthi kubonakala ababhalelwe ukulinga ukukhuthaza i-SACP ukuthi ingazijameli emakhethweni azako. Bubonakala abutshabalala ubudlelwano phakathi kwenhlangano ezintathu ezisebenzisana ngokubambisana njengoba na i-SACP ibetha phasi ngenyawo igandelela ukuthi iyozijamela emakhethweni azako.
We might have reached a stage where we are unable to persuade the South African Communist Party from its decision of not contesting the elections.
I-ANC beyibamba ama-conference emfundeni ngokuhlukahlukana kwazo kodwa kube nokungwarana phakathi kwamanye ama-conference lami. Kanti ama-conference abanje phambilini ikomiti ekulu ye-ANC ayisawaqali sekufana nalokho angakenzeki.
This year we expect 45 out of our 52 regions to hold conferences by December 2025, which is a cut-off date as we focus on the local government elections.
Ikomiti ekulu ye-ANC ithethe nesiqundo sokuhlela ngobutsha ikomiti ye-ANC eTjingalanga Kapa njenganje ihlangano le inamalunga ayi-1.5 million atlolisiweko. Kanti ngezokuphatha ithethe isiqundo sokuvulela nezinye inhlangano engikhundla ku-GNU.
The NEC resolved to reset the GNU and mandated the officials to engage with current GNU partners to broaden participation, strengthen the functioning of the GNU and give full effect to the statement of intent.
I-ANC isolidi engokufuna ukuqaphela emahlelweni wokuchugulula umnotho welizwe ukwanelisa amazwe afana ne-United States of America.
Kanti ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze ngale ndaba yokuthi i-ANC ithi SACP nangabe ikhamba yodwa ayikhambe. Nakumbono wakho uyilandela mbukele.
Se bohloko gore ANC ya go lusa support because bontši jwa bao be ba voutela ANC e le di-members tša SACP ga jwale ba ya go voutela SACP.
Ukuba ngaba SACP ifuna uzingenela ukhetho mayezingenele bonakale pha isohluleka ifana neminye imibutho le iphikisayo.
I-SACP iphuma endlini eshaya umsakazi bebevele besha bebonke angiboni kuzobasebenzela ukuphuma kwabo.
I-SACP ngakade yazijamela mara ngombana beyithembele ngaphasi kwe-ANC ngikho ingakhule ene kuyoba nzima ukuthi godi ikhule kube ihlangano eqinileko.
I-SACP nama-support amaningi, ANC izobe ilahlekelwe kakhulu, umbalula nje akayilungise lento bayincenge kahle i-SACP.
I-SACP iyenze kahle ukuthi iphume ibhodwe layo ngoba ubulelesi kuningi kakhulu la kwa-ANC nabangayiboni boze bayibona.
Kufuze ngabe kudala yayimela nayo ikibona ukuthi ukweseka kwayo uma ngabe iyodwa kungakanani ingalokho ithembele ukuthi kunelinye iqembu engaphansi kwalo.
Kanti umbona ngombukeli SABC ayizokuthwesa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Ikhotho kaMagistrata we-Alexander isithulisele umhla ka-15 kuhoba oyisibawo sika KT Molefe ikhotho kaMagistrata yeJohannesburg e-Alexander ehlakweni yeJohannesburg. uMolefe ubotshelwe icala elihlotshaniswa nokubulala kuka-Oupa Sifoka owaziwa ngo-DJ Sambodi nabogadi bakhe ababili. Icala lakhe libawe ikhotho ukuthi imchaphulule ngebheli yaveza ukuthi akasiyingozi begodu angeke aphazamisa abofakazi bombuso.
Utheveza ikhanda nje evele itoksini wonke amehla besethe njo kuyena uKatiso Mlife. Abameli bakhe bathi-ke banxusa inkosi yenkantolo ukuthi imdedele ngebheyili ngelokuthi angeke azabaleke uzosebenzisana nengalo yomthetho futhi angeke abesabise nofakazi. Bathi-ke nangesikhathi abakwadlodlo betheleka bezomxhakathisa kazange adlubulundele. Umbuso uthi akangalingela umsolwa dedele ngebheyili ngoba useke wasebenzisa incwadi zomgunyathe yeSwazini kanti kwenzeka leli cala nje uvela ungaphandle ngebheyili ngelinye icala lokubulala. Okhulumela umndeni uyaphefumula.
This was essentially a cold case before this unit that's been doing excellent work in KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng as part of the political killings task team took over. In other words, this case was going nowhere, and if that unit had not taken over, we would not be standing here today.
Okhulumela umndeni uthi-ke umsolwa angacabanga ukuthi usazophinda ithole futhi ibheyili njengasekuqaleni. Uma ecabanga kanjalo ukhe phansi isitsha sigcwele.
So they seem to think that the same circumstances may exist for him to get bail. We're on the other hand saying no, the more murders that are being added, the more chance there's somebody of interfering with witnesses, interfering with evidence, and maybe even fleeing the jurisdiction of this country.
Omlife kusola ukuthi uyena ungqondo wacija itulo lokubulala uMafuka wasethenga utawu kekana kanye noMabusela ukuthi kube yibona bayogudluza lo saziwayo laba bathathu basilaqaza abona isicelo sebail kanti bazobuya kulenyanga ezokwithwasa bezoqula icala. Inhlokohlela yesibhamu yohlobo lo-AK47 okuthiwa kwajulwa ngayo uMafuka sekuvela ukuthi kunabanye abantu abafaka phakathi uDJ Vintosa abadutshulwa ngayo kanti kusolwa bona labasolwa ukuthi ibona benzi bobubi. Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla endabeni ze-SABC ngibika ngise-Alexandra.
Nasibuya entolo.
We came here specifically to come and pass the words of condolences and sympathy from the provincial government.
Usomkhandlu wezokubusa ngokuhlanganyela eLimpopo uqalise inyawo kwaDlawulale ngedrayini ayokuchiriya ebukhosini bakaSomtchathana. Indaba sekhona mbukeli kanti nazi kuphundileko uyazithola ngobunjalo bazo ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asifake nazo. Usomkhandlo wezombuso hlanganelo nezamakhosi eLimpopo uBhayisikobho Makamu uvakatshele ngekosini ngedrayini kwaDlawulale wayokubhodla emswanini ngokukhothama kwenkosi yakwaDlawulale uPoni Jafta Mahlangu wakoSomtchathana. Kanti umbiki indaba we-SABC uphindile Msiza usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Lapha kungekosini koSomtchathana ngedrayini kwaDlawulale kuduma emabaleni walomkhaya ngokukhothama kwenkosi uPoni Jafta Mahlangu. Inkosi ikhotheme mhla amalanga ama-22 kuvela Bahlinze. Namhlanje usomkhandlu wezokubusa ngokuhlanganyela ukuhlaliswa kwabantu kunye nendaba zamakhosi esifundeni seLimpopo uBhayisikobho Makamu kunye nomnyango wakhe bakhambele umndeni wenkosini bayokuchiriya. uMakamu uthi umndeni awubambane ngalesi sikhathi esibudisi kanti uthi isekelo bazolufumana embusweni begodu uqinisekise nokuthi ngomgcibelo uzabe akhona nakutshalwa inkosi.
We came here specifically to come and pass the words of condolences and sympathy from the provincial government and specifically to the Premier of our province, Dr. Phupela Matuba. We have worked with him. We have been in journey with him trying to develop his area of Inkosini here. We came here just to inform the family that we will be with them, we have been with them, we will still continue with them.
Usomkhandlu uMakamu wamukelwe ngezandla zombili ebukhosini kanti okhulumela ubukhosi bakoSomtchathana umntwana wenkosi uMbusi Mahlangu uthi umndeni uthokozile ngokuthi umbuso weLimpopo uvele nawo ngemva komkhosi wokukhothama kwenkosi.
Asiyifamily sithokoze kakhulu ukuthi eze la azosihlola njengomuntu okhambela phambili indaba zamakhosi. Umreni uthokoze kakhulu ngoba MEC uthekithi wathi uthiyele nguPremier uPremier uthi akazokhona ukuba nathi nangezinani ngomngcwabo uthi akazokhona ukuba nathi uzaba senkowankowa ano president ngendaba ze-Women's League indaba zelanga labomama.
Ngehlangothini lokuthi ngubani ozokubekwa njengenkosi njengombana yenkosi uPoni Jafta Mahlangu akhotheme nje umntwana wenkosi uthe batsho abazohabe bayikhuluma leyo. Usomkhandlu ubayelelise ngokuthi bangakhe bangahaba begodi lokho kumsebenzi womndeni ukuthi uhlale phasi ngemva kwalokho utsho ukuthi ngubani ozokuba inkosi yakusasa ngombana kwakhathesi umndeni usahlangahlangene.
Usadvisile ukuthi uba ukuthi umndeni kube ngiwo okhamba phambili umndeni kube ngiwo otsho ukuthi ubani ozokuthatha over noma ozoba inkosi yakusasa. Uyabawa ukuthi singahaba nasizobeka inkosi.
Inkosi yakwaDlawulale uPoni Jafta Mahlangu wakoSomtchathana ukhotheme ngenyanga ephelileko aneminyaka ema-68 kanti inkonzo yesikhumbuzo sakhe izokubanja kusasa ngedrayini kwaDlawulale kuthi ngomgcibelo mhla amalanga alithoba kile nyanga itshalwe inkosi. Nginguphindile Msiza wendaba ze-SABC eAuckland Park eJohannesburg.
Ugokwakhe lomsanyana weminyaka emini ubudala ekuzwakala bona ubhenyiswe babelethi bakhe indakamizwa eNewclear Johannesburg uthi isehlakalo lesi sibachiye bakhubele. Umntwana lo ubonakele agega enkundleni zokuthindana tika okusabhodlelwana. Unina nabanye abantu abadala bahlekisa isigagaga. Laba abane baqalene namacala okulinga nokubulala nokuhlorisa umntwana. Bayabuyela ekhotho ngelesine.
Kube yiveke ebuhlungu kugokwakhe lomntwana nomndeni. uthi ugogo nanje sola kayikholwa lento abayibona enkundleni zokuthindana bazibuza bona ihloko kanina isathatha kuhle nami.
I could have stopped it, what was happening, but they didn't. Nobody tried even to stand up and help. No, they didn't.
Uyise lomntwana nakunguye batsho ukurehab lapha lunyuliswa khona intakamizwa. Njengoba nonina lomntwana abotshiwe, umntwana solo usendaweni ephephileko.
I just want the child to come back home, to be with his cousins, to be with his granny, and just, just love him.
Unina lomntwana nalaba abanye abathathu bavele ekhotho ngamacala wokuhlorisa umntwana nokulinga ukubulala.
I couldn't take it. I couldn't. When I saw them the first time when I went into court and I saw them there standing, I just put my face down. I can't see them.
Ugogo uthi uthe nakababona ekhotho ihliziyo yakhe yaba buhlungu ukukhuluma.
Ikhotho kaMagistrata weBarberton eMpumalanga ibakhuphe ngebheli abamayini ngokungemthetho ababili ke bama-24 ababotshwe eSheba Gold Mine Kuthangi. Isikhame sisivele kafeaturesana ekhotho kanti icala abasolwa ngalo lithuliswele uLesihlanu weveke ezako malungana nokukhethwa kwamagcwetha. Isikhame sisiqalene namacala wokweba ukumayina ngokungemthetho nokungena endaweni ngaphandle kwemvumo.
Bavele kafeaturesana ekhotho kazi sichimisi sibotshwe ngomvulo eSheba Gold Mine. Banye baba ukujanyelwa amagcwetha ombuso kodwa ninengi likhetha ukujanyelwa amagcwetha angiqadi. Omunye umsolo uthe bathi ipassport yakhe isesowethu. Laba bamaSouth Africa bona baveza abomazisi babo nemphande.
This is remanded until the 13th of August. 13 August 2025 for your attorneys and profiling. Accused number 1 until accused number 19, accused number 22 until accused number 24 in custody, no bail. Accused number 20 and 21 in custody, your bail is fixed at 2,000 rand each, normal bail conditions, meaning that on the 13th of August 2025, you must be at court. Failure to do so, a warrant for your arrest will be authorized and you'll be arrested.
Amapolice athi asabekilihle mine le.
With regard to today, in terms of if we've got other illegal miners surfacing from the ground, up to so far we received nothing from that side. So, but we keep on monitoring that space until we are given information that might change that.
Abamayini ngokungemthetho abama-30 ababotshwe izolo balindeleke ukuthi bavele ekhotho kaMagistrata eBarberton kusasa.
Kezemali ranta liqinile nalilinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu.
Loshane ekhaya asicale ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu likubze sengamafu endaweni eziningi ngapha ngeJingalanga yenaga kuthi ke ngaleke ngeFreystata tholakala amathuba wezulu nge60% nakezinye indawo ezingale ngeKZN kusasa ke abuyela kukhulu amathuba wezulu we60% laya ngapha ngeGauteng nakezinye ke indawo zangapha ngeMpumalanga kanti ke likubze sengamafu endaweni eziningi njengoba na uqalile nje sibona ke imjijo iduma kumbi endaweni yangapha ngeFreystata ngobusuku obukanti ke ilwandle libukhali ukusuka ngapha ngeGqebe Gauteng ngaleke ngeJingalanga yenaga kusasa ke sibona lapha ke imjijo iduma kumbi leya ibuyele endaweni zangaleke ngeLimpopo nesifundeni sangapha ke ngeGauteng sokuqala amazinga okushisa ukuthi ngakhani akhamba njani sithome ngapha ngeGauteng Makhaza abantu abambathe bafuthumele imini yonke isifunda sonke kanti ke lapha ePitori nge15 neJohannesburg nge15 nangapho ngeBroncosprate nasicala ke lapha eLimpopo sibona ke kuMakhaza khulukhulu ekseni ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kezinye indawo kubuya nganeno khulukhulu lapha ke ePhalaburwa lithi 23 ngemva kwamadina. Mpumalanga nayo ke imakhaza imini yonke abantu abambathe bafuthumele khulukhulu ke Emelo nge12 ngemva kwamadina. KwaZulu Natal nayo ke imakhaza endaweni ezinengi khulukhulu ke lapha eGokstad nge12 ngemva kwamadina. Kanti ke nasicala lapha ke esifundeni sangeMpumalanga Kapa nakhona ke kumakhaza nendawo ezinengi zangapha ngeSouth Africa kumakhaza abantu bambathe bafuthumele. Asibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako Tido.
Ngesimbi yekhomba ngezisulu indaba ziswati ngesikhathi esifanako kusasa nisale nomusa.